So today is November 16th, 2023. My mother is over here completely breaking down this dryer we have literally had on this property that has not been working. Look at all that's left.
I just put on my clean pair of pants. What was I thinking?
Mama, you broke this thing all the way down.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
I might have to need some help.
Okay, all right, I'm gonna pause it just for a minute.
Yeah, I can still use this thing.
Yes, ma'am. So she is officially done. Check it out. That is an entire dryer. Completely disassembled by my mom, by herself. Thank you, Mama.
Careful, girl. You better put it on.